how I made $2,200 in one day with this affiliate marketing strategy. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you step-by-step tutorial what most gurus are not showing you, how actually you can make consistent income with affiliate marketing using Clickbank or any other network out there for free. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my screen, I made 2,000 euro, which is basically, let's say, around 2,200 US dollars. All right, this is in the first 24 hours. Now, how I did this, let me go and show you the secret sauce behind this. As you can see over here, right, I'm showing you the leads. So basically what I'm doing is I'm thinking more long term. Why I'm collecting those email leads is because I'm trying to build an email list in a special niche, like for example weight loss supplements, keto diet, and different hacks about fitness, right? Which is a huge pain niche with lots of problems there, right? And really big profitable money making niche. Now, as you can see, I'm collecting those leads, but how I'm doing it and why I'm doing it, I'm going to reveal to you very soon in the next slide. So as you can see over here, I did this. Now the next thing which is very important is here. So let's go straight into it, right? Most of people are not aware of what actually works within affiliate marketing. So as you can see over here, right, you have a real asset, an email list that will make you money with every email you send. Now imagine this, you wake up in the morning, you send out one email, which takes you, let's say, 15 to 30 minutes, depend on how tech savvy you are, but don't have to worry because this is all done for you, right? You don't have to be a master A-level copywriter or something similar like that. No, you're basically one-man show. You're a person who wakes up in the morning, take your laptop and send out simple email. And that day you make around $500 to $2,000, depends on the size of your list, right? So let's go straight into it. Now, what is very important about low ticket, or let's call it pocket change offer, right? It's very important if you want to make big bucks with affiliate marketing, right? First of all, it needs to be very highly appealing front-end offer that will convert at 7 to 15%. Imagine this. Let's say you have a list of 10,000 people, right? And let's say that only 10% of 10,000 people converts. So that would be around 1,000 sales, 1,000 people in a month or something like that, right? Now, this is huge amounts of money. Just imagine what it could happen if you do this very seriously, right? I'm not sharing with you any get-rich-quick scheme or any kind of shiny object. No, this is a new method that actually works for years. But most of people tend to think it's a little bit boring. That's why they don't do it. And that's why they using a shotgun approach or gambling approach, which is trying to place ads, promoting Clickbank products on Facebook or Google Ads without building any asset, without building any list on the back end, right? Which can actually make you money on the front end even more. The second thing is very important. You need an upsell, one upsell that will convert at 20 to 40%. So your average order value will go up, right? Will go up, and the traffic cost, the money you're spending on Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads is going to go way down, right? Because imagine this, if you're spending $25 on Google ads or Facebook ads per day, and you are generating 10 leads per day from that money, or 100 leads per day, you're basically making your money back on the first sale, and you're also getting a free lead, which you potentially buy in the next few days from your email list, right? The next thing is, this is my strategy, right? Most of affiliates or gurus on Clickbank, they tell you need only 3 steps, which is basically an ad, landing page, and then send them to the VSL, which can work, but it's very difficult to make it work if you don't have a really huge budget, and if you really like something stressful and something that is as a gamble, right? You never know when your account can get shut down. But once you have your backend, as you can see over here, automated email follow-up sequence, you are deploying soldiers. So you are deploying soldiers. Those soldiers are working for you 24/7. You can deploy ads, and you can also collect those emails, right? So you can build a huge database. That's basically what every kind of big company is doing, like Netflix, Google, Facebook. Everyone is basically asking you to put in your name and email address, right? Because they understand there's the big money in the email. But don't forget, remember, you can make money on the front end by selling. I'm going to show right now what you can do, right? You need a big audience. So what is big audience? For example, manifestation, fitness, and cookbooks. Cookbooks tend to do really, really well. Why? Let me give you an example. Let's say we have a cookbook for $7, physical book, real book, right? Where people can order, they pay for the shipping, and after they buy the book, they will be able to buy different supplements, they can buy different CDs, DVDs, they can buy digital course, e-learning course to teach them how they can prepare their meals faster, cheaper, and more healthier, right? So they have many different upsells. And remember, all this is done through sending one email per day. So you don't have to worry about spending money day after day, month after month on Google ads or Facebook ads or YouTube ads and wondering if your account is getting shut down tomorrow, right? So that is stress-free way to make money online. Okay, now the next thing is, if you're still watching this video and if you want to know exactly what Clickbank offers to promote, what low ticket offers are doing really, really well, because remember, product offer is really, really important. It's number one. It can make the bank or break the bank, right? Really important. Hot offer that is converting really well, low ticket, and you have to understand your audience. You have to have someone who understands the audience, for example, weight loss, keto diet, niche, that can tell you, okay, look, use this one, use this book, use this cooking recipe, use this email, because this is all done for you. We go step by step, one-on-one, through Zoom call, creating everything, right? But step by step, right? Making sure everything is done correctly so that it can potentially make you great money month after month, year after year, going to the future, right? So what you can do is you can subscribe to my channel now, and below this video are going to be emails, my private email list where I'm sharing hot products every week, what works and what doesn't work, what make me money, what make me lose money. So all this expensive stuff that I would say that you can learn and use it as a learning advantage to get something done. All right, so over here, as you can see, I will go back. All right, you can find me also on my Instagram, so you can see over here, right? This is my Instagram. You can follow me there, you can DM me there, ask me any questions regards to affiliate marketing, even for beginners in 2023 going to 2024. If you are serious about getting this done, about actually having a stress-free sustainable income, where you can wake up in the morning, send one email, and make $500 a day or $1,000, doesn't matter, right? Even $2,000 per week can be really nice income without spending money on ads. After you have built your list, and the list is making you money every single day, right? Remember, you don't have to write emails; it's all done for you. You have to only insert your affiliate links. So this we get done together, one-on-one, step by step. All right, so if you want something like this, right, as you can see here, you can let me know, we can connect together, and from there we can see what we can do together to potentially help you to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, to basically quit your 9 to 5 or do something else or make it as a side hustle. All right, so let me know, subscribe to my channel, and all the links are in the description below. But before we finish this video, let me tell you this. You have to be serious. If you're serious, it means over here, as you can see, I'm going to show you right now, it means you need to have at least 1,000 US to 5,000 US dollars, or even more, whatever your budget is. But in between those numbers is really, really good, right? Because you have to understand something. If you want to take this serious, right, it's not for someone who is procrastinator, who is afraid or fearful of taking action, who doesn't pull the trigger. You can watch tons of videos, mine, on other people's videos, or you can buy courses from Clickbank people selling it for $3,000, $4,000 and not get any personal support, hand-holding, or one-on-one support over the Zoom call, right? Looking over together from my shoulder as we are setting it up together. So it's up to you. What do you want, right? You can look for next video on YouTube. for the shiny object, for someone to tell you how easy, simple it is. This is simple. This is simple. Simplicity works. But you need to have someone to make it easier, right? To make it easier, you need someone who will help you. Otherwise, you are just consumers, everyone else who was buying these Clickbank courses, watching, sitting at home like this, like me right now, making this video for you, looking at screen and wondering why the heck this is not working, why this is outdated, how to connect this ad with this email, or you know what I'm saying, right? You have maybe experienced that in the past. You went and bought some expensive course and then you watched the videos at home and you got stuck. You didn't have anyone to help you along the way, right? To help honing you, to show you the path, to show you actually how things are done, right? How you can make money, how you can make your first $100, euros, pounds per day, per week, right? Whatever your goal is. But one thing is for sure, if you're not doing anything, yes, maybe you are saving $2,000, maybe $5,000, but at what cost? If you're not making $5,000 per month or $10,000 per month, right? What is this costing you? Right? What is this costing you in the future, in life enjoyment, in traveling, I don't know, your family stuff? It's costing you almost 6 figures per year of you saving the money, being afraid to invest, and having someone who will help you through step by step along the way, right? Think about this. Stop and think about this now. Imagine if you have just, let's say, $10,000. Your goal is $10,000, but you're making only 5,000 now. It means that not investing is costing you, what is the difference? 5 and 10, $5,000. It's costing you every month when you are procrastinating, being afraid to pull the credit card, take an investment, right? And do it. So take action now. Do something. Either unsubscribe from my channel, because it will not help you just watching videos and not taking any action. At least first step, baby steps, You start by crawling, right? And then you start by walking. Right, so we took baby steps, step by step, one-on-one. So baby step can be as simple as $200 per day, as simple as $400 per day. So it really depends on you, right? But I'm just trying to let you know, right? It's coming from my heart. I hope you feel so as well, right? As you're watching video, listening to my voice right now and wondering what this guy is trying to get across. I'm trying to tell you that once you have the message to market match, once you have someone who will sit with you, work with you one-on-one, step by step, hand holding you, then you can get those great results. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and connect with me one-on-one after watching.